1970 Chevrolet C10 short box step side here at Unique, especially in classics. A little bit of a street rod look to it. Dark turquoise in color. Rebuilt 350 underneath the hood, everything new. And we'll take a look underneath the hood at the end of the video. See what's been done underneath there. Start it up, let you hear it run. First, let's take a look at this grille. Bumper, headlight, surrounds, looks good. And as you can see, the paint shows well in this one. It's a black cloth vinyl combination interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. See all the pictures. Underside, interior, engine bay. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a little later model Chevrolet wheel with center cap, radial tires. As far as that 350 under the hood, it's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Like I said, lots of new components, power steering, power brakes. You also have drilled and slotted rotors. Take a little peek at the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side and get inside, start it up, let's hear it run. Take a little closer look. Oak bed. Finished very nicely. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the rear bumper. Powder coated finish. Good looking tailgate with the Chevrolet lettering. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through those still pictures. So take a look down the driver's side. You can see the paint's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a little imperfection here or there, but overall this paint definitely shows well. Fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Get into the classic car hobby and have a little fun driving while you're at it. Door panels, looking good. You'll be able to see the underside pictures of the doors in the still pictures. Also be close-ups of the interior. This is kind of a dark charcoal and gray. When I get right up on top of it, it's going to want to wash out. If I step back, like right there, that is the true color of that interior. When I get up on top of it, certain colors like to wash out, and this is one of them that will. It is not this light in person. It's a little darker, kind of a dark charcoal and black. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I know the wipers do work. I've seen those working. Tack in the center here. Battery meter, temp gauge. That was a cold start. Oil pressure up over here. Nice sounding truck. Top of the dash looking good. Flip around to the back so you can hear this run. Good sounding 350. Let's slip up to the front of this, get this hood pop, and check out this engine bay. Like I said, I noticed there's a lot of new components under there, so let's take a look. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy like the rest of the truck. Aluminum radiator, Hedman headers, Edelbrock, intake. One we have looks like a Performer EPS, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. You can see new master cylinder, booster, proportioning valve, power steering. Like I said, a lot of new components under here. HEI ignition, nice clean tidy engine bay, heater hoses hooked up. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives, and it's a smooth runner. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this truck down the road, put a camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride if you will. So stick around to the very end. Call us 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1970 Chevrolet C10. Very nice looking truck. Teal paint job on the outside and coming through the inside as well with black cloth bench seat. This is an automatic on the column. We have a factory tachometer right there in the middle of the dash that's working. Don't see too many of those. The blower motor works for the heater and the wipers also work. This truck does corner very good. It's not leaning too much in the corners. Brakes work good in this truck. Nice throttle response and acceleration. I was informed the temperature gauge is not accurate. However, the battery gauge is right in the middle where it should be. Oil pressure is at 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Our speedometer is working, showing 55 miles an hour right now. That feels about right. Fuel gauge is at half on the gauge, so that does appear to work as well. Nice road feel to this truck. Tight steering. Steering wheel is mounted straight, and if I let go of the wheel, the truck stays nice and straight. One of the classic styles, another one of my favorite body styles for Chevrolet trucks. A 67 to 72 body. And I've never seen one in this color. It's a very nice color. We have wood boards in the bed with stainless looking rails. That just accents it even more. Great running truck and fun to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.